In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename database views in Notion. If you've ever opened a database and felt confused by vague or outdated labels like View 1 or Untitled, this quick skill will help you keep everything clear and organized. A database view is simply a saved way of looking at your data, like a table, board, calendar, or list, with filters and sorts baked in. Renaming views makes it easier for you and your team to know exactly what each view is for, without guessing. Start by navigating to the database that contains the view you want to update. At the top of the database, you'll see a row of tabs. Those are your views. Locate the tab you want to change and click directly on its name. When you click, a small menu or field appears with the current name already highlighted, so you're ready to type. Enter the new name that best describes the purpose of the view, then press Enter to save it. That's it. The label updates instantly, and your layout, filters, and data remain exactly the same. You're only changing the name, not the contents. If you prefer using the menu, there's an alternative that does the same thing. Hover your mouse over the View tab you want to rename, and you'll see a three-dot icon appear. Click that, then select Rename from the drop-down. Type your new name, press Enter, and you're done. This method is especially handy if you're already in that menu adjusting other settings, but today we're focused only on the rename option. A few quick tips to make your names work harder for you. Keep them short but descriptive, so you can scan and understand them at a glance. Consider adding context like Q2 pipeline, tasks due this week, or editorial calendar, drafts. Consistent naming across teams saves time, and using a simple emoji can make important views pop without clutter. Also, don't worry, renaming a view won't break links to the database or change your underlying data. It's a safe, reversible cosmetic change that improves clarity. If you don't see the tabs, make sure you're looking at the database itself rather than a linked mention. And ensure you have edit permissions, since only editors can rename views. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.